Welcome to the world of potassium nitrate, a compound that has shaped history and continues to fuel our modern world today. Commonly known as saltpeter, this white crystalline powder is more than just a chemical. It is a versatile powerhouse of energy. Found naturally as the mineral niter, it often forms on cave walls and soil surfaces, acting as a hidden treasure of the Earth's crust. Identified by the chemical formula KNO3, it is an alkali metal nitrate, famous for its incredible oxidizing properties and reactions. Historically, it was a key ingredient in gunpowder. Today, that same energy creates the vibrant bursts of light in modern fireworks displays. Its strength as a powerful oxidizing agent makes it critical for rocket fuel, propelling humanity into the final frontier of outer space. In agriculture, it provides essential nutrients for lush, healthy crops, acting as a premium fertilizer for farmers around the entire globe. You will even find it in toothpaste for sensitive teeth and as a vital preservative in the cured meats we enjoy every day. From ancient battlefields to modern labs, potassium nitrate remains an indispensable part of science, helping us innovate and grow for centuries. Its journey from simple mineral to high-tech catalyst is a testament to human ingenuity. Explore more of the science that powers our lives. Well.